Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about preventive resin restoration PRR. So let's get started. Introduction. PRR treatment has various advantages over the traditional amalgam restoration. See, here very small caries are present, but if we go with amalgam restoration, we need to do proper cavity preparation with proper retention convenience form. See, to overcome this, we use PRR, in which we are focusing only on the carious lesion, not all the tooth. Hence, we are not hampering the sound tooth structure. For PRR, we require excellent isolation and moisture and saliva contamination. Why? Because saliva contamination or moisture lead to lower bond structure between the resin and the tooth. Utilizes invasive and non-invasive treatment of borderline or questionable caries. Resin is placed in carious area and adjacent caries susceptible area sealed with sealant, which provide valuable treatment to alternative the amalgam restoration. Means caries एरिया को हम रिस्टोर करेंगे बाय PRR, और जो एडजेसेंट एरिया है केरीज का जो कि सस्पेक्टेबल है केरीज होने से, ठीक है, उसको हम पिट एंड फिशर सीलेंट से हम सील कर देंगे. Integrates the preventive approach of sealant therapy for caries susceptible pit and fissure with therapeutic restoration of incipient caries with composite resin that occur on the same occlusal plane. PRR are conservative answer to conventional extension for preparation of class 1 amalgam preparation. Hence, as we know, PRR only concerned with the carious lesion, not with proper cavity preparation. Just like in amalgam, we do a proper cavity preparation with proper retention convenience form. PRR not bonded to that. If deep pit and fissure on the tooth surface, we require only sealant therapy. But if caries are present in one area or part of pit and fissure, that particular caries is restored, and जो remaining susceptible area है pit and fissure का, that are protected with sealant. This is the way we are doing preventive resin restoration. Types of PRR. Based on extent and depth of carious lesion, PRR of three types given by Simonson in 1978. Type A, Type B and Type C. Type A. Suspicious pit and fissure, where caries removal is limited to enamel. Local anesthesia is not required. A slow speed 1/4 or 1/2 round bud is used to remove the decalcified enamel and then sealant is placed. In type 2, here also local anesthesia is not needed. Incipient lesion जो है वो डेंटीन तक आ चुका है बट स्मॉल और कन्फाइंड है, तो हम एक अप्रोप्रिएट बेस प्लेस करेंगे इन द एरिया ऑफ डेंटीन एक्सपोजर, कंपोजिट रेजिन प्लेस करेंगे एंड रिमेनिंग पिट एंड फिशर को हम सीलेंट से कवर कर देंगे. Type 3, more extensive dentinal involvement and require restoration with proper posterior composite material. Appropriate base is placed over the dentine. Pit and fissures are covered with sealant, and in this case we need local anesthesia. Thank you for watching.